Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by verifying your Oneplus version and saving your current theme so you can revert if needed. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Personalization or Display. That's where call log theming lives on recent Oxygen OS builds. You're checking compatibility and securing a backup. This prevents surprises. Make sure your phone is unlocked and on the home screen, then tap Personalization. This first move locates theme controls and prepares you to change colors and styles for the call log. Now you'll select theme or accent color and focus on the phone or call log preview. Tap accent color to pick a primary hue. This affects call header, incoming call buttons, and highlights. Once you choose a color, enable dark mode or adjust contrast to keep text readable on that background. You can preview changes in the built-in sample area. Use that to confirm contrast. If specific call items don't change, check phone app settings for app-level theme overrides and sync them with system choices. Finish by applying the theme and reopening the phone app to ensure changes persist. You should see updated colors in the call log immediately. If not, reboot the device and reopen the app. Make sure no third-party launcher or theme app is overriding system settings. If the call log still shows the old style, clear the phone app cache or reset its preferences. This often resolves conflicts. As a last resort, restore your saved backup and retry with a different accent or theme option to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.